And then retinol, which is in meat, dairy, or dairy products, which is hard to get rid of. But beta carotene, not so much. I apologize about the interference in the last video. I made a mistake and paused it, so please forgive me. So I had to make this a two-part video. Once again, vitamin A and vitamin D, they work together to help your genetic code work properly. So it's very important to get as much vitamin D as possible. This is something that you have to incorporate into your diet, your health regimen, your plan to success. Whatever it is, whether that's to be rich, wealthy, comfortable, it don't matter. If you want more happiness, more love, more peace, you want to be more one with yourself, vitamin D is the way to go. Being out in nature is the way to go. Planting your feet for those monatomic elements is the way to go. I really, really, truly hope that this video inspires and really, really, really strikes someone's, your interest to want to do more for yourself and for others. Because this is a video that truly comes from the heart. And I hope that, you actually take out the time to receive the message. Truly. Because once again, we are sons. There's no such thing as a star. A star is a sun. You are a son, I am a son. You understand? In your solar plex, you understand, where your energy is held. You resonate on a frequency. You let off energy, which we've now been able to measure the soul in hertz, or energy in hertz, for those of you who don't believe in a soul. We can now measure energy in hertz. And the only thing I know that lets off energy are things that vibrate, and everything that vibrate came from a source. And to me, the sun it's like a light bulb compared to the infinite power of the all. You feel me? Compared to the source of the true essence of the all, the creator. You understand? Let's be real. Without the sun, we could not live. We would not survive. So for those of us who want to neglect the powers of the sun, you are disagreeable, and you probably won't receive this message. And peace and love to your journey, with all due respect. Once again, let's take a little bit of time to soak in some of this good vitamin D. I mean, it's just beautiful out here today, man. I mean, you see these antennas? You see this here? This is how I get more of my vitamin D, through my hair, through my follicles, all over my body, through my skin. Not putting sunblock on, not wearing, or not putting on any lotions that would, clog up my pores. I live a very natural life, very, very much so. I allow my body to secrete that's what's needed for me to sustain a healthy, happy life. So when I come aware of things or products that don't cater to my growth, I have to extrude them out of my world. I have to get them far away from me. So once again, it's just a beautiful day. If you are not outside, I don't know what you're doing. Please like, comment, subscribe. Get at your boy. Like I say, Red Rod Love, Dr. 720, bringing another informative video.